In every single market cycle, we see Bitcoin rally first, then Ethereum, then altcoins. And many people have already started to worry about what's going on in the market. But the reality is we haven't even seen altcoin market caps surpass previous bull market highs. If you go ahead and look at this chart, you can see that altcoins are nowhere near the previous market highs. And this presents a major opportunity for investors. So recently, I've been investing in dozens and dozens of altcoins. I've talked about many of them on the channel before. And one of them I just recently invested in that's currently in its pre-sale is called DarkLume. DarkLume is a project that has some major developments coming out over the next couple of months and years, and the symbol of this is DLUME. It's a Binance Smart Chain project, and if you look at it, it's currently in its pre-sale. If you go ahead and look at the token development and token supply, you can see that 65% is going to be allocated to pre-sale, 15% for development, 10% to marketing and rewards, and 10% to liquidity. So this is a very solid breakdown for a pre-sale project because the vast majority of the tokens are allocated to the community. Pre-sale, just being a community-driven project, which is exactly what you want to see for an up-and-coming altcoin. If you go ahead and look at it, DarkLume is ultimately trying to become a virtual world built on gamified socioeconomic system powered by their native ecosystem token, symbol DLUME. It offers a unique blend of fantasy and social interaction, allowing users to acquire citizenship in virtual countries, engage in leisure activities, and participate in a dynamic social ecosystem. And their vision is to ultimately redefine the concept of luxury living and entertainment in the digital realm, catering exclusively to the needs and preferences of modern societies. And their mission is to create a dynamic and immersive metaverse where DLUME can engage in a variety of activities, connect with like-minded individuals, and experience the epitome of luxury and sophistication. So if you go ahead and look on their website and you scroll down just a bit, you see that they still are in their pre-sale. They have a target of raising $2 million, where right now, one DarkLume token is equal to 0.0005. Ultimately, the listing price is going to be 200% higher than this, so a 3x return from where we're currently at. And as they continue to sell more and more of the pre-sale is filled, well, the price is going to increase. So right now it's at 0.0005, but the next price is going to be 0.0006. So a 20% increase, meaning that now is going to be the cheapest you will ever be able to get DLUME tokens. If you go ahead and look, you can buy it with ETH, Matic, BNB, and USDT. You could go ahead and easily connect your wallet and participate in this. And I've already looked at this token for quite a while, and they've started to gain a lot of traction on social media as well. So even though they've only been around for a very short period of time, just since March of 2024 on X, you can see that they've already gained almost 10,000 followers and are followed by some of the biggest names in the crypto space like Fabri Crypto. In addition to this, if we scroll down a little bit further, we can see a few other important things about their mission and what they're trying to do moving forward. So they talk all about these different aspects of the game, what they're trying to do with the metaverse, and their whole entire digital world. You also could take a look at this on their white paper, where if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see how they talk about 3 or 4 main categories. They talk about first, which is the citizenship and DLUME coin. So DLUME as a currency is the primary currency within their ecosystem. It grants access to various features and activities within the virtual world. Country citizenship is where each country within DarkLume has its own citizenship. Users acquire citizenship by holding a minimum amount of DLUME coins specific to each country, and maintaining citizenship, ultimately users pay taxes in DLUME coins. So failure to do so will result in the revocation of citizenship. So ultimately in this game, that native ecosystem token is going to be a core driver of the entire ecosystem. And this is important because if you buy this token during pre-sale, you get it at a much lower price. And if you think there's going to be users playing on this metaverse, interacting with the metaverse long term, well, their native ecosystem token is a core aspect of it. So more people using it, the more valuable that token is going to be, because it is required for a lot of different activities within the metaverse. You can also see how they talk about earning and spending DLUME coins. They say real world purchases. Users can acquire DLUME coins directly using real world currency. Social activity. DarkLume incentivizes social interacting. Users can earn their tokens by staying socially active within the platform. The specifics of how social activity translates to coin earnings are to be defined future in DarkLume's development. And then ultimately the basic income. So every user receives a regular unemployment wage in DLUME coins. However, there's a twist. This wage cannot be used for personal gain. It must be used for tipping others within the DarkLume world. So again, like I said, the more and more people who use this ecosystem, the more valuable the token gets long term. They also talk a little bit about activities and entertainment on their white paper. talk about leisure and fun, dating and social interactions, and wild activities. If we scroll down a little bit, you can see on their white paper or on their website, they talk about their roadmap. I personally want to go over on their website because they break it down very easy for you to see. So if you go down here and you click on roadmap, it's going to say, look, phase 1, it's ultimately pre-sale and metaverse trailer launch, conceptualization and planning of DarkLume metaverse, development of core features, including residences, vehicles, entertainment venues, initial token sale, and distribution to early adopters. Then into phase 2, expansion enhancement. That's going to be expansion of virtual island and introduction of new districts and attractions, integrations of additional features such as virtual events, investment opportunities, and social networking tools, partnerships and collaboration initiatives with brands and influencers synonymous with alpha male lifestyle. Then into phase 3, that's going to be optimization and scaling. That's going to be continuous optimization and refinement of DarkLume platform based on user feedback and market trends, scaling of infrastructure to accommodate growing user base and increasing demand for virtual experiences, and then exploration of emerging technologies and innovations to further enhance the DarkLume metaverse. So they talk all about this over on their website as well as on their Twitter, where they're constantly posting about giveaways, major developments, and plans moving forward. So this is a project that if you go ahead and look on their website, they break everything down in terms of benefits of the token, what they plan on doing moving forward with their actual VR metaverse, what they're trying to do in terms of building out their game. They talk all about this on their website, and this is a project that you can easily go ahead and get involved in on their website as well because it still is only in the pre-sale. So like I said, right now the token price is 0.0005. This is stage 1 of the pre-sale, and as they get closer and closer to their target of $2 million, that price is going to increase and it's only going to get more expensive. So if you're looking for some metaverse tokens to get involved in, as we're starting to see altcoins really pick up, well, this is a project that I definitely would check out.